Hello, today we're gonna make a dog. We need an origami keeper. I will start by the color side because I want the dog to white colored. So if you want that your dog will be colored, you can start by the white side. We're gonna take this corner and we're gonna bring it to this corner. We're gonna take this corner and we're gonna bring it to this corner. Now we're gonna fold it back. We're gonna turn. We're gonna take this corner and we're gonna bring it to here. And if you want your dog's ear to be up, you can do like this. And on the other side too. And it's the same step. Now we're gonna take this gun and gonna bring it to here. Now we're gonna flip it and we're gonna take this corner and we're gonna fold it down. Now we're gonna flip it. Now we're gonna draw our dog's face. And here we go, we made a dog. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.